In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Figma. Masking in Figma is a simple way to reveal only a specific part of an image using the shape of another layer. Think of it like placing a photo behind a window. You only see the portion that fits inside the window's outline. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening your Figma file so you're on the canvas where you want the mask to live. Make sure you're on the correct page and zoomed in enough to work precisely. If you haven't already, bring in the image you want to mask by dragging it onto the canvas or using the import options. Next, place the image you want to mask below the shape or layer that will define the visible area. The key is overlap and layer order. The content you want to show should sit underneath and the layer that defines the cutout should sit on top. You can check and adjust this in the Layers panel. The mask defining layer must be above the image. If you don't have a shape yet, you can quickly draw one with a rectangle, circle, or any vector. Remember, only the shape's outline matters. Its fill and stroke won't show in the final mask. When they're overlapping correctly, select both layers. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each layer on the canvas, or by selecting them in the Layers panel. You'll know both are selected when they're highlighted together. With both layers selected, look to the right-hand panel and click Mask. Instantly, Figma creates a masked group. You'll see only the parts of the lower image that fall inside the top shape. If the result doesn't look right, double check that the shape is onto top in the layer stack. From here, you can fine-tune without breaking anything. Double-click into the masked group to move the image around inside the shape, or resize the mask to change what's revealed. If edges look soft, your source image might be too small. Use a higher resolution image for crisper results. For rounded corners or perfect circles, set the corner radius on your vector shape before masking. You can rename the masked group to keep your file organized, and if you ever need to revise, simply adjust the layers inside the group. As a quick tip, there's also a mask button in the top toolbar, and the shortcut is Command-Option-M on Mac or Control-Alt-M on Windows. That's it. Open your file, stack and overlap your layers with the mask on top, select both, and click Mask. You've just created a clean professional mask in Figma.